Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new subject Computer, Chapter 4 Fun with Tux Paint. So, students, when you draw or paint, you can use different things like colors, pencils, and many more things. Similarly, on a computer, you can use different programs to draw and paint. So, one of the easy to use and enjoyable painting programs is called Tux Paint. Okay, so what is a Tux Paint? Tux Paint is a painting program which is full of fun. Let's start. Children will be able to learn about the features and advantages of Tux Paint. Now, open Tux Paint. List the screen components of Tux Paint window. Use the paintbrush tool. Use the text tool, stamp tool, magic tool, lines tool. Save a drawing in Tux Paint and open a saved file. Okay, students, let's start. So, students, TuxPaint is a drawing programs for kids. It is easy to use. It has sound effects also. So student, TuxPaint is a drawing programs for kids especially. It is very easy to use and it gives sound effects also. Now features of TuxPaint. So it can be downloaded and used free of cost. Okay, the drawing mascot at the end of the Tux window helps one to know better about the software. You can know many more things about this app. The large variety of tools present in the Tux toolbox help the children to give an enhanced look and create highly creative designs. Okay, one of even add a stamp once through with the drawing. You can use stamps also. Tux also gives background sound effects on selecting the tools. It makes more fun. And the last one is the image are saved directly as thumbnails. So you can find very easily. Now Mind Enhance. If you already on your computer install Tux Paint using the Tux Paint installer. So Windows put in its own program, group or folder and also place the icon on the desktop. So you find very easily. Who developed Tux Paint? So Bill Kendrick developed Tux Paint. Okay students. Now talking about opening Tux Paint. How to open Tux Paint? So to open Tux Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click start button. Click on start button as you see in this picture. Second step. In the left pane, select Tux Paint from the alphabetical list. When you select the left pane, you see the Tux Paint options in alphabetical order. Okay students. Next page. So students, on opening the Tux Paint, you see the welcome screen followed by the first Tux Paint window. As you see in this picture, this is your welcome screen. The first you see on the desktop. Now, containing components of a Tux Paint. So, the Tux Paint components contains toolbar, selector, color box, drawing canvas and help area. So what is a toolbar? In toolbar it contains different tools through which you can use in your painting. And second one is selector. So it shows different symbols depending on the selected tool in the toolbar. Now color box, it is used to select colors. You can choose colors as your wish. And drawing canvas, It is the white area on the of the screen where you create your drawing. And help area, it provides tips and other information so you can find it very easily. Now talking about Mind Enhance, the selector contains two buttons on it. Okay, up and down, up and down. Click these buttons to see more symbols in the selector. Okay students, now talking about the toolbar. The toolbar in TuxPaint has different tools as you see in this picture. Let us learn about new tool, magic tool and stamp tool. Okay students. So students, let's start with inserting a drawing. How to insert your drawing? To insert ready-made drawing, follow these steps. First step is click on new tool from the toolbar. Second, click on down button. You see many ready-made pictures are there. And third one is select the picture of your choice. You can choose according to your choice. Now in the fourth step, click on open button. The picture appears on the drawing canvas. As you see in this picture, a fish is appeared. Now coloring a drawing. So after you have inserted your drawing, you can fill colors in it just as you fill colors using your crayons. So to fill colors in the drawing, follow these steps. First one is click on the magic tool from the toolbar. Select fill effect from the selector. Third step, select the color of your choice from the color box. From there and click inside the area to fill the color in it. According to your choice, you fill the color. Okay students, I hope you all understand very well. Next topic will continue in next part of the video. Thank you students. Bye children.